Are you unknowingly sabotaging your health, draining away vital nutrients, and spoiling the delicious potential of one of the most incredible superfoods on the planet? Imagine discovering that the very ways you've been handling sardines, those little powerhouses of nutrition, are precisely the reasons you might be missing out on their full benefits, or worse, even impacting your well-being. It's a shocking truth that most people, even those who love sardines, are making at least a few critical errors that transform these tiny health heroes into bland, less nutritious, or even compromised meals. Sardines are a true dietary marvel, standing out as one of the rare seafood options naturally low in mercury, making them an incredibly safe and healthy choice you can enjoy often. These small but mighty fish are packed with an impressive array of goodness, from heart-healthy omega-3s and brain-boosting fats to bone-strengthening calcium and essential vitamins your body desperately needs. Yet, the sad reality is that the vast majority of people unwittingly undermine these benefits, from the moment they pick up a can to the way they prepare and store them. Have you ever wondered if you're selecting the right type, safely storing leftovers, or perhaps rinsing away precious nutrients? And what if the most beneficial part of the sardine is the very thing you're throwing away? The answers might surprise you, revealing a path to unlocking their true potential. The journey to truly enjoying sardines begins by understanding these common pitfalls, some of which seem minor at first glance, but carry significant weight once you grasp the underlying science. We're about to dive deep into the 9 most frequent mistakes that prevent people from experiencing sardines at their peak flavor and nutritional potency. By the end of this insightful guide, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to transform your sardine experience, ensuring every bite is as delicious and healthy as nature intended. Before we jump in, a quick favor: please tap that like button and subscribe to our channel to join a community dedicated to smarter, healthier eating. If you're excited for more content like this, let us know by typing yes in the comments below. Now, let's uncover these shocking mistakes. One of the most widespread and often unrecognized mistakes is throwing out the bones. While it might seem intuitive to remove bones from fish, especially considering larger fish where they can be sharp and unsafe, sardine bones are entirely different. The canning process acts as a natural pressure cooker, rendering these tiny bones incredibly soft and completely edible, so much so that many people don't even notice them. But here's the crucial secret: these delicate bones are a phenomenal natural source of calcium, arguably one of the best you'll find in seafood. A single serving of sardines with the bones intact can provide over 1/3 of your daily calcium requirements, which is absolutely vital for maintaining strong bones, healthy teeth, and proper muscle function, particularly as we age. Furthermore, sardine bones also contain vitamin D, which plays a critical role in helping your body absorb that calcium effectively. Discarding these bones isn't just creating extra work, it's actively throwing away essential nutrients your body craves, all while missing out on a hidden bonus that makes sardines an unparalleled, nutrient-dense food. Another significant misstep occurs right in the grocery aisle: choosing water-packed instead of oil-packed sardines. Many believe water-packed is the healthier, lower-calorie option, but this choice comes at a steep cost to both flavor and nutrition. Sardines are naturally rich in beneficial fats, particularly omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation. When packed in quality oil, especially olive oil, the fish remains moist. Its natural oils are protected from oxidation, and the omega-3s are better preserved and absorbed by your body. Water, on the other hand, offers no such protection. Water-packed sardines often end up bland, dry, and can even develop a metallic taste because their natural oils break down more quickly. The oil acts as a flavorful shield, enhancing the sardines' taste over time, with many connoisseurs claiming olive oil-packed sardines only improve with age. While oil-packed versions may have more calories, these are the good fats your body thrives on, making this a small decision that profoundly impacts your enjoyment and the nutritional value you receive. A common oversight that nearly everyone makes at some point is letting open cans sit around for too long. While an unopened can of sardines can last for years, the moment that lid is popped, a countdown begins. Exposure to air rapidly deteriorates the fish, causing healthy oils to oxidize and valuable omega-3 fats, the primary reason many of us eat sardines, to break down. This means the longer they sit, the less nutritious and flavorful they become. The shelf life of opened sardines varies by what they're packed in. Water-packed decline fastest, within 24 hours. Oil-packed can last 2 to 3 days in the fridge, and tomato sauce varieties might stretch to 4 days. Crucially, after a week, regardless of the packing liquid, they are generally unsafe to eat. Furthermore, leaving them in the opened metal can accelerate spoilage and can impart an unpleasant metallic taste. Food safety experts strongly recommend transferring any leftovers into a clean, airtight glass or plastic container immediately to minimize air exposure, slow nutrient loss, and preserve flavor. While freezing is an option to extend their life, it can alter the texture. The simplest rule is to only open what you plan to eat within a couple of days and always store leftovers properly to keep them safe, fresh, and full of their promised nutrition. Closely related to proper storage is the mistake of ignoring expiration dates and general storage rules. Many assume canned goods are indestructible, but even sardines, with their long shelf life, are vulnerable to improper storage conditions. Heat, direct sunlight, and moisture are significant enemies. Leaving cans in a sunny window, near a hot stove, or in a damp pantry will accelerate the breakdown of the can's integrity and the fish inside. Over time, the oils oxidize, flavors sour, and nutrients degrade. Worse still, a damaged or compromised can allow harmful bacteria to grow, rendering the sardines unsafe. It's also important to realize that not all sardines keep equally well. Those packed in acidic liquids like tomato sauce tend to break down faster than oil-packed varieties, necessitating a first-in, first-out rotation. Before opening any can, always inspect it for bulges, rust, dents along the seams, or leaks. Any of these signs mean it's best to discard the can rather than risk your health. Considering sardines are an incredibly affordable superfood, a little care in storage ensures you get every bit of value and nutrition they offer. While convenience is a major draw, only eating sardines straight from the can is a mistake that limits their potential and can lead to flavor fatigue. Sardines are incredibly versatile and should be viewed as a dynamic ingredient, not just a ready-made snack. Mash them with avocado or yogurt for a protein-rich spread on crackers, or pile them onto toast with capers, red onion, or sliced tomatoes for a Mediterranean-inspired gourmet-feeling bite that takes minutes to prepare. They also excel in cooked dishes. Stir them into pasta sauces at the last minute for an omega-3 boost. Add them to stir fries, or even use them as a savory pizza topping with olives and herbs. For breakfast, folding them into scrambled eggs or omelets provides a powerhouse start to your day. Beyond just taste, pairing sardines with vegetables, grains, or healthy fats often enhances your body's ability to absorb their nutrients. For instance, combining them with vitamin C-rich foods like tomatoes can help maximize iron absorption. So, while eating them plain is fine sometimes, a little creativity can transform sardines into an exciting and endlessly nutritious addition to countless dishes. Another common misconception is thinking all sardines taste the same. This couldn't be further from the truth. Just like fine wine or artisan cheese, sardines exhibit a vast spectrum of flavors, textures, and qualities influenced by their origin, the season they're caught, and how they're packed. Sardines from cold Atlantic waters, for example, often have a firmer texture and cleaner taste compared to those from warmer Mediterranean regions, which might be softer and richer. Even the season matters, with spring catches offering a lighter flavor versus fattier, more intense flavors later in the year. The packing liquid dramatically alters the taste profile. Olive oil imparts depth, tomato sauce adds tang, and smoked varieties offer a savory richness. If your first experience with sardines wasn't favorable, don't give up. Exploring different brands, geographical origins, and packing styles can completely revolutionize your perception, revealing a diverse world of flavors hidden within those unassuming tins. Sardines are far from a one-size-fits-all food. Experimentation is key to finding your perfect match. A mistake that can ruin an otherwise perfect meal is pairing sardines with the wrong flavors. Sardines are bold fish with a rich, savory taste and oily texture, meaning they require thoughtful companions on the plate. The key to successful pairing is contrast. Their natural richness truly shines when balanced with bright, fresh, or tangy ingredients that cut through their oiliness. Think of classic pairings like fresh lemon juice, a splash of vinegar, briny capers, juicy tomatoes, or crisp pickled vegetables. These sharp, acidic flavors don't mask the sardine's essence. Rather, they awaken and sharpen it, creating a more balanced and exciting taste experience. Fresh herbs such as parsley, dill, or cilantro also contribute a clean, herbaceous note that lightens the whole dish. Conversely, steer clear of heavy, creamy sauces, overly buttery dishes, or excessively sweet accompaniments. Creamy sauces with oily sardines can create an overwhelming richness, while sweet glazes or fruit-based toppings often clash with the sardine's inherent saltiness, resulting in an unpleasant discord. When chosen wisely, the right flavors elevate sardines from a simple canned fish to a vibrant, memorable gourmet ingredient. Perhaps one of the most surprising and detrimental errors is rinsing away taste and nutrition by washing sardines underwater. Many people do this in an attempt to reduce salt, fat, or that fishy taste, but in reality, rinsing strips away both flavor and crucial nutrients. When sardines are canned, the oil, sauce, or brine they're packed in isn't merely a filler, it's an integral part of the preservation and flavor-building process. Over time, the fish and its liquid exchange flavors, and key nutrients like omega-3s and fat-soluble vitamins actually leach into that packing liquid. Rinsing means you're literally washing away months of flavor development and these valuable dissolved nutrients. For oil-packed sardines, rinsing creates an undesirable texture. Oily and watery don't mix, leaving the fish slimy and broken. As for saltiness, rinsing doesn't truly fix it because the salt is absorbed into the fish itself during canning. A much better approach is to opt for low-sodium varieties or simply adjust the salt content in the other components of your meal. Embracing the packing liquid, whether it's flavorful oil or a rich sauce, is part of what makes sardines so special and ensures you receive their full nutritional and taste benefits. Many people avoid sardines altogether because of the perception that they are too fishy. However, the truth is, sardines are fish, and a clean, fresh sardine should taste like the sea, savory, slightly briny, and alive. If your sardines taste unpleasantly strong or overpowering, it's often a sign of poor storage, an expired product, or simply being paired with the wrong ingredients. The secret to a delightful sardine experience isn't to hide their natural flavor, but to brighten it. Acidic elements like a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, a dash of vinegar, or a spoonful of vibrant tomato sauce can cut through any perceived heaviness and make the flavor lively and clean. Fresh herbs like parsley, cilantro, or dill also add a refreshing balance. The quality of sardines makes a significant difference as well. Premium brands packed in good olive oil or flavorful sauces tend to offer a much cleaner, less overpowering taste than cheaper, less carefully processed options. Furthermore, your taste buds can adapt. If you're not a frequent fish eater, the taste might be intense initially, but with repeated exposure, you'll begin to appreciate their subtle sweetness and depth. Instead of dismissing them as too fishy, experiment with various preparations and pairings. You'll be surprised how quickly that perception transforms into a craving for their unique, delicious flavor. Finally, by far the most significant and costly mistake people make is throwing away the precious oil that sardines are packed in. That glistening golden liquid is anything but waste. It's a treasure trove of flavor and nutrition. When sardines are packed in oil, a slow, beneficial exchange occurs over months of storage. The fish release natural juices into the oil, while the oil infuses back into the fish. This process transforms the oil into a rich concentrate of omega-3 fatty acids, fat-soluble vitamins like D, and profound savory flavor, essentially liquid gold for your body. Discarding this oil means you're not just losing calories, but actively pouring away valuable nutrients, crucial for heart, brain, and immune health. From a culinary perspective, you're also tossing out a free, potent flavor enhancer that professional chefs would gladly pay for. So what can you do with it? Drizzle it over salads as a dressing, use it to saute onions and garlic for pasta or rice dishes, stir it into soups or stews to deepen the broth, or even simply dip fresh bread into it with a squeeze of lemon and some herbs for a quick, flavorful snack. Kept properly in the fridge for a few days, this sardine oil only deepens in complexity, adding an extraordinary dimension to your meals. It's truly too valuable to waste. While sardines are undeniably one of the healthiest foods you can eat, like all powerful foods, they aren't right for absolutely everyone. A few groups should exercise caution and moderation. Individuals with high blood pressure or salt sensitivity should be mindful, as most canned sardines contain a significant amount of sodium. Opting for low-sodium varieties is a better choice. Those prone to gout or high uric acid should also be cautious, as sardines are high in purines, which can trigger gout flares in sensitive individuals. Moderation is key here. Similarly, anyone susceptible to kidney stones, particularly uric acid stones, should consult their doctor before regular sardine consumption due to the purine content. For pregnant women, while sardines are celebrated for being very low in mercury, unlike larger fish, monitoring sodium and calorie intake is still wise, especially if consuming them often. For the vast majority of healthy individuals, sardines are a fantastic food to enjoy regularly, but if you fall into one of these categories, moderation and mindful choices are the safest path. In conclusion, sardines are profoundly underrated superfoods, but only when treated with the respect and knowledge they deserve. From selecting the right can and storing it properly to mastering the art of pairing and preparation, avoiding these common mistakes is the critical difference between a bland, wasted meal and a powerful, delicious boost of nutrition. Don't let simple slip-ups prevent you from harnessing everything sardines have to offer. Packed with protein, omega-3s, calcium, and essential vitamins, they robustly support your heart, brain, and bones, all while remaining one of the most budget-friendly foods available. Now, armed with this knowledge, you know exactly how to unlock their full potential and skillfully navigate the traps that trip up most people. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more intelligent, healthy eating tips. Do you often eat sardines, or perhaps have a favorite way to prepare them that we didn't mention? Share your thoughts and culinary secrets in the comments below.